Set on over a quarter acre in the desirable Stayton School District, this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers comfort, functionality, and exceptional outdoor space. Thoughtfully designed for everyday living and entertaining, the chef's kitchen features dual ovens, a pull-out microwave, a gas cooktop, and abundant workspace. Perfect for gatherings large or small. 2 gas fireplaces add warmth and charm, creating inviting spaces to relax throughout the seasons. Generously sized bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Outdoors, the property truly shines. A 20-foot by 25-foot shop offers ample room for hobbies, storage, or projects. Unwind at the end of the day in the private hot tub, surrounded by the spacious yard. A garden shed and chicken coop enhance the property's versatility and homestead appeal. With a recently replaced roof and HVAC system, this move-in ready home blends practical updates with comfortable living in a welcoming community setting.